Ever wondered what it's like to visit Cairo, the heart of Egypt? This bustling city is a vibrant blend of ancient and modern, marinated in history, art, and culture. Cairo is a spectacle to behold, a city where every corner whispers tales of the past and hums with the energy of the present. Prepare to be enthralled by the grandeur of the historical monuments that dot the cityscape, from the awe-inspiring pyramids to the stoic Sphinx. Wander through the labyrinthine streets of Old Cairo, taking in the stunning Islamic architecture that speaks volumes of the city's rich heritage. Lose yourself in the kaleidoscope of colors and fragrances at the bustling Khan el-Khalili market during the day, and witness the city come alive with a dazzling display of lights at night. And what's a trip to Cairo without a serene cruise along the majestic Nile or a panoramic view from the towering Cairo Tower? Get ready for a journey through time and space as we explore the captivating city of Cairo. The history of Cairo is written in its stones, from the ancient pyramids to the enigmatic Sphinx. As we journey through time, let's delve into the heart of this city, where history and grandeur meet. The pyramids of Giza, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, have stood tall for over 4,000 years. They're not just a testament to the ancient Egyptians' architectural prowess, but also a mirror into their beliefs about mortality and the afterlife. The largest of the 3, the Great Pyramid, was built for Pharaoh Khufu and was once the tallest man-made structure in the world. Now let's turn our gaze to the enigmatic Sphinx. This colossal statue, with the body of a lion and the face of a man, is shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Legends say it was carved from a single block of limestone left over from the construction of the pyramids. It's believed to be a symbol of royal power, guarding the sacred burial grounds from evil spirits. But these monuments are more than just magnificent structures of stone. They're a gateway into an ancient civilization's world. Each stone, each carving tells a story of pharaohs and their divine rule, of complex religious beliefs, and of a society that was far ahead of its time. Visitors from across the globe are drawn to these monuments, not just for their sheer size and grandeur, but for the awe they inspire. The feeling of standing in the shadow of the pyramids or gazing into the Sphinx's inscrutable eyes is an experience that transcends time. It's a humbling reminder of our place in the vast tapestry of human history. These ancient structures stand as a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of their creators, the ancient Egyptians. They remind us that even in the face of mortality, human spirit strives to leave a lasting legacy. And what a legacy it is! So come, step into the pages of history and lose yourself in the sands of time. From Old Cairo to the Islamic architecture, the beauty of Cairo is manifested in its unique architectural diversity. The architectural landscape of Cairo is a fascinating blend of ancient and modern, east and west. This city's structures paint an intricate picture of the cultural and historical evolution of one of the world's oldest civilizations. In the heart of Old Cairo, you'll find the remnants of the ancient pharaonic civilization. The pharaonic temples stand as grand icons of a time when pharaohs ruled the land. These temples, with their colossal pillars and intricate hieroglyphs, are a testament to the architectural prowess of the ancient Egyptians. They are a physical embodiment of the civilization's reverence for their deities and their belief in the afterlife. As we move through the city, we witness a shift towards Islamic architecture. This shift mirrors the historical transition from pharaonic to Islamic rule. Islamic architecture in Cairo is characterized by its striking geometric patterns, ornate calligraphy, and the iconic minarets reaching towards the sky. One cannot discuss Islamic architecture in Cairo without mentioning the city's magnificent mosques. These mosques serve not only as places of worship, but also as community centers and educational institutions. They are a testament to the city's deep Islamic roots and the central role of religion in shaping Cairo's cultural and social landscape. The architectural diversity in Cairo is not just a visual spectacle. Each building, each monument tells a story. They are the silent witnesses to Cairo's rich history, from the reign of powerful pharaohs to the spread of Islam, from colonial influences to the modern metropolis it is today. The architectural styles of Cairo reflect the city's resilience and its ability to adapt and evolve. Each era, each ruling power, has left its mark on the city, contributing to its architectural tapestry. These buildings serve as a physical timeline, showcasing Cairo's rich and diverse historical journey. They stand as enduring symbols of the city's past, a past that continues to shape its present and future. From the grandeur of the pharaonic temples to the elegance of Islamic mosques, Cairo's architectural landscape is a testament to the city's vibrant history and cultural richness. By day, the colors and smells of the Khan Hebron market captivate your senses. By night, the city center transforms into a dazzling display of lights and activity. The sun rises over Cairo, and with it, the heartbeat of the city pulses into life. As the day unfolds, the vibrant Khan el-Khalili market awakens. The air fills with the fragrant aroma of spices, mingling with the scent of freshly brewed Egyptian coffee and the tantalizing smell of local street food. The market is a kaleidoscope of colors, with stalls displaying a myriad of goods, from handcrafted jewelry to intricately woven textiles and unique trinkets. The melodic rhythm of haggling echoes through the market, as locals and tourists alike engage in the art of the deal. As the sun sets, the city doesn't sleep, it merely shifts gears. The city center, with its historic buildings and modern skyscrapers, transforms into a stage for a dazzling display of lights and activity. The night sky blazes with neon signs, illuminating the streets below. The city's pulse quickens, matching the rhythm of the vibrant nightlife. Cairo's night scene is a mix of traditional entertainment and modern attractions. From the soulful tunes of a live oud player in a quaint tea house to the pulsating beats in a contemporary nightclub, there is something for every taste. The city's cafes and restaurants buzz with energy, filled with the chatter of patrons enjoying a late-night meal or a fragrant cup of tea. Street vendors serving delicious local fare contribute to the symphony of the city, their carts adding to the kaleidoscope of lights and sounds. The cityscape comes alive, with the Nile reflecting the city's shimmering lights, creating a mesmerizing tableau of Cairo's nightlife. Cairo is a city that never sleeps, always buzzing with energy and activity. Whether you're a day explorer, immersing yourself in the colors and scents of the market, or a night owl, basking in the city's vibrant nightlife, Cairo offers a unique experience that captivates the senses at all hours. Experience the tranquility of the Nile River on an enchanting cruise, and gaze upon the city from the towering heights of the Cairo Tower. Floating on the heart of Egypt, the Nile River is an experience beyond comparison. As you glide on the serene waters, time slows down and the city's hustle and bustle fades into a distant hum. It's a moment of solitude, where you're enveloped by the soothing rhythm of the river and the gentle whispers of history. Now imagine these moments under the golden hues of the setting sun or the velvety curtain of the night sky. It's a sight that's nothing short of magical. The shimmering waters of the Nile reflecting the city lights and the star-studded sky is a spectacle that stays with you long after your journey ends. But the allure of Cairo doesn't end at the river's edge. Rising high above the cityscape is the iconic Cairo Tower. Standing at a staggering 187 meters, it's a testament to the city's resilience and progress. From its observation deck, you can feast your eyes on a panoramic view of Cairo. The city sprawls out in all its grandeur, with the pyramids of Giza lining the horizon and the Nile River carving its way through the heart of the city. From the serene waters of the Nile to the city's towering skyline, Cairo offers unforgettable experiences. Cairo's culinary scene is as diverse and rich as its history. A stroll through the city presents a smorgasbord of aromas and flavors that tantalize the senses. From the bustling food markets with their fresh produce and exotic spices, to the quiet elegance of high-end restaurants, Cairo is a food lover's paradise. The city's gastronomy reflects its cultural diversity, with each district offering its own unique culinary delights. You can experience the traditional Egyptian fare of kosheri and malokia, the unique flavors of Middle Eastern cuisine, or the fusion of Mediterranean and African tastes. Cairo is home to many famous restaurants and cafes where delicious food meets an atmosphere of luxury and hospitality. These are places where the art of cooking is celebrated, where chefs create masterpieces that are as pleasing to the eye as they are to the palate. In Cairo, every meal is a journey of flavors, a culinary adventure waiting to be explored. As we wrap up our journey, the charm of Cairo continues to resonate. We've discovered its magnificent historical monuments, the captivating blend of architectural styles, and the vibrancy of day and night life. We've sailed along the enchanting Nile and marveled at the towering Cairo Tower. We've savored the city's gastronomic delights. These are but a few glimpses into the heart of Egypt. Cairo, where history and modern life intertwine in a unique style, awaits your visit for an unforgettable journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and activate the bell button. Life of the world, a journey inside each country.